you guys how to make a breakfast favorite, banana protein pikelets. So this is a great one for the kids to get involved with. So what I'm using for this recipe is I'm going to use 1 scoop of the Happy Way banana protein powder, but you can change this up and use whatever flavor you want. This is my favorite, so that's what I'll be using today. I'm going to use 2 eggs, 1 ripe banana, and just over a cup of oats, about a teaspoon amount of baking powder, and then a dash of milk. So it's super quick and easy to make. All you have to do is chuck all of the ingredients together into your blender and blend it up until it's really smooth and creamy. So I'm going to use a full scoop, and then what we're going to do is heat a fry pan, just grease it with some butter or coconut oil, and then add a little, so we want to make pikelets, so not big pancakes, but little ones. So we just add like a couple of tablespoon amounts into rounds into the fry pan, cook each side for approximately a couple of minutes until it's nice and golden, and serve with all your favorite toppings. So I'll probably serve mine with some cut up banana, maple syrup and berries, but you can do whatever you fancy.